we're going to look at putting a really important bit of code together that's going to get our cat sprite here to move up, down, left and right, depending on whether the player has pressed up, down, left or right on the keyboard to get it sort of player character working there. We're going to start with some start blocks. So we're going to head to the events. And we looked at these a few videos ago. These are the key press ones. I'm just going to grab 4 of these for up, down, left, right. You can put them any way you like, but I tend to just arrange them like that to help me see better. And we just need to make sure we have the right key set up for each one. So up, right, down, and left. And there we go. And then for each one of these, we're going to do 2 things. The first thing is we're going to get the cat to face in whichever direction we've told it to. So we can use this one here. It's called point in direction. I'm going to drag that underneath there. And if I click the box that normally will let us type in a different number, instead we get this 360 wheel, and it actually lets us drag this arrow around to pick which angle it goes to, which is much easier than trying to work out which number it is. So on the up arrow, it needs to go up. On the left arrow, move the arrow around. Right arrow actually works just fine, so it's facing right. And then lastly, face down. So we got 0, minus 90, 180 and 90. Let's just test that out. So I'll go right, left, up and down. There we go. So next really easy step is just drag in this one, move 10 steps. So it's going to move forward in whichever direction we tell it to. And now I can go up, down, left and right, like that. There's one weird thing in that when we press left, the cat goes upside down, and when we press up, it sort of goes sideways as well. So if we don't want that, we can change its rotation style. So towards the bottom of motion is this block here, set rotation style. Little drop down there. By default, it says all around, which means it faces up and upside down. If we set it to left and right, and we just double click this, we've now stopped it from doing that, so I can go right and left, up and down like that. It works quite well, but there's a bit of a delay from when you press and hold down the key to when it actually moves, which isn't ideal. So in the next video, we'll just look at a more complicated way of doing this, but one that works, is a lot more responsive if you do need the player to move a lot quicker.